Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. Welcome to Software Designs. Today we want to teach you how you can increase the size of your thumbnail from this section. As you can see from here, look at it from here, because basically in this format you may encounter some troubles and you may not know where to go back. So from here, let me shift a bit. So from here at this point, you come here at this point, click on it. Then you come to panel options, and your panel options, you just click panel options. Then you have the medium, you have the large. So click on the medium. Let's start with the medium. Right now, from here you can see the size. Let's collapse this. Let's close this tab. You can see from your layer here, you see the arrangement. See how it is purely arranged. Look at the sizes 1, 2, 3 from here, from this section. Then if you want to check, let's see, let's check our color. No, from here we can, for instance, let's include our path and our channel. And then from path and channel, let's come to Windows, click on your path, and then to include path and channel here, this is the path. Close. Let's close this. Let's close, put it one place. Let's arrange. This is how it is. So but basically this is the most important section which you have to go. And for if you want to reduce it, just kindly go back, click on this icon here, come to panel options, and then there are different ways in which you can endeavor to remove this add copy to copied layer. Just remove it, and then use default marks on. Just remove this. Anytime you want to add the marks, you can max it up. So let's increase it to a size, just bigger size, and then click on OK. So right now from here, the moment you look at any of your layer, you know what is going on preferably, and you know where to attach it. So if you love this tutorial, encourage us, click the like button and subscribe for more updates. Thank you so much.